Hey guys, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and we have the Blade X, the slimmest on-the-go monitor by, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, themselves on their YouTube channel only have 2 videos and they don't say what it actually is. It could be Odake, Odake, I'm not sure where they're coming from with that, but there's the box. We'll just put that off to the side because we already have unboxed it and unearthed it off to the side here because we just wanted to get this going, and it is a very large box. Here is the device itself. As per usual, we're going to leave that off till the very end and explore the rest of the contents. You have a cutout foam for the monitor itself and a separation foam. Inside the box, you get all sorts of goodies. You get the AC charger, and this one is USB on one end and AC wall port on the other, and it looks like it supports 100 volt to 240 volts, so this will work anywhere from North America all the way to South Korea. South Korea using more voltage than North America does. You do have an HDMI, and this looks to be a full HDMI on one end to a, I don't want to say mini or micro HDMI. I'm not sure right off the top of my head. You also get a USB full female and a micro USB male, and the exact same thing actually. And these are both micro USB. Yes. Yeah, they're just looking at that, making sure none are HDMI. You get a very nice remote as well. It's very Apple TV-esque. It's kind of piano white. Well, it's almost it's piano, but it's not white. It is white. It's a shade of white. It's off-white. Let's call it eggshell. I don't know. I'm not a painter. And we have some more cables inside. It looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C. This will just be for linking your smartphone. And apparently you just plug it in and it works. You don't have to download an app or anything like that. And this is a USB full to USB-C. Enough chit-chat, enough rambling. Let's look at the device itself. Yes, it's reflective, and no, it's not e-ink. So you might be saying, oh, I thought you had an e-ink monitor. Unfortunately, no, it's a regular monitor, but it's really cool. What if I look into it like that? So this is all metal construction, and it is very lightweight. It's not too light though, which is actually really nice. I was actually worried when they said super lightweight, super thin, that it would feel flimsy and cheap, but this thing feels very sturdy. I think it is the metal that's really doing it for me because it's a very tight design. It doesn't make that creaking noise like an old Super Nintendo controller, and as they said on their promotional video, everything is built in the base. All the components, all the batteries, everything's in the base. We will show this on a future video in a full review, but for now it is an unboxing video. And we're just going to show you everything that comes in the box, and here it is. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. And for now, a review of the Blade X by, I'm terribly sorry if I'm butchering it, Odake, maybe? Kind of Japanesey? I'm not sure. This is Peter.